Hello, I'm Aditi. I am the Partner Relations Manager at the Pawsey Supercomputing Research Center, and I'm here on the ground at Supercomputing Asia 2026 in Osaka, Japan. We've had a whole bunch of conversations and learned a ton of new things already. There are centers here from all over the world who have come together at this conference to share their knowledge, to share the exciting initiatives that they're doing and talk about the partnerships and the collaborations that they're involved in. And I'm really keen to hear their stories and be a part of that as well. It's a fantastic way to share knowledge and to meet new people as well and find out what's happening in our industry, both in HPC, quantum, artificial intelligence, and in the research space as well, and understanding how we can best serve our research communities.
Hello, my name is Pascal. I'm from the Pawsey Supercomputing Center, and I'm here at SCAsia to actually chat a lot about quantum computing and supercomputing. It's been an interesting adventure along the way because Pawsey started recently to do quantum supercomputing, and to see the interest that we're garnering here and the number of people who are trying to do the same thing, tackle the same problems, slightly different ways, and building that community has been exceptionally rewarding. And it's been very interesting to see also how much interest Pawsey has garnered doing this quantum supercomputing effort. SCAsia has been a great place to exchange ideas after and before presentations, have chats with various HPC centers, research institutes, quantum computing companies, the industry as a whole. Also even about other topics. I've been very interested to see the efforts to do computing, scientific computing, AI, and how all of it melds together to also basically improve science and improve humanity, help out humanity with computing. Aditi's been chatting to the community to also help diversity and really make HPC human. And I think it's a great effort that she's been doing, leading some of the Women in HPC conferences and workshops. Chris has been here chatting to various vendors on storage, but also the broader HPC context of looking at data, management of data, and computing in general. It's been an awesome couple of days here at SCAsia with Pawsey and also with NCI representing Australia at this very dynamic conference.